Let me ask you a question, champ. You lock up a deal using subject to. You did the work. You hustled. But now what? Who do you sell it to? How do you get paid, especially if you're broke or don't want to use your own money? This video is going to break that down, step by step. No fluff, just real strategy that works today. Your origin story setup. Champ, I've been an entrepreneur since ninth grade in high school and a real estate investor since 2006. And all that time, I've never borrowed money from a sticky banker or held a resume job. Today's lesson is, who do you sell your subject to deals to? But first, if you're just getting started, I've got two power moves for you. Bikes and learn real-world skills. This is the same game that helped me build my confidence and pay the bills while I was learning real estate. Grab it now at the new flip.com. Reboot. Feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or frozen with fear? Reboot is my personal mindset reset for hustlers who want to reprogram their mind for success. Start your mental reset today at myrealestatedojo.com/reboot. Now let's get into it. Quick subject to explainer. For those who don't know, subject to is a powerful way to buy real estate without using your own money or credit. In simple terms, you find a motivated seller who wants out. You take over their mortgage payments, keep the loan in their name, and you own the house. No banks, no credit checks, no begging. This is what I call creative real estate. And subject to is one of the sharpest tools in that toolbox. Who buys your subject to deals? Once you've locked up a deal using subject to, who can you flip it to? Here are the two main buyers you should be thinking about. 1. Real estate investors. These are your cash flow kings and queens. Why do investors love subject to deals? They don't need to qualify for a new mortgage, no credit checks, low down payments, and they can close fast. Some investors keep these homes as rentals, others fix and flip. Some just hold the cash flow. If you've got a hot deal under contract, you better believe there's an investor out there ready to buy it. 2. Retail buyers, aka end users. Now here's a hidden gold mine most rookies overlook. There are tons of families out there with a decent job, a strong down payment, but not so great credit. Banks won't give them a loan, but you can. How? You sell the home to them using owner financing through a wraparound mortgage. This means you wrap your subject to deal with a new agreement where they make monthly payments to you, and you continue making payments on the original mortgage. It's a win-win. You get monthly cash flow. They get to own a home without dealing with the bank, and you profit from a deal you didn't even pay for. Watch my other videos on wraps if you need more help on this. The truth, action or excuses. Now here's the real talk. You can sit here and binge my content. Watch me, then go watch the next guru, then the next. But knowledge without execution is just a digital addiction. I'm giving you the secrets, right now, right here. This is how I built my freedom, with hustle, sacrifice, and smart strategies. If you've ever had a whisper in your mind, I want more, I want out of the rat race, I want to own my time, then that voice is your calling, and that means the universe wants this for you. But nobody's gonna hand it to you. It takes hustle, it takes sacrifice, it takes you taking that first uncomfortable step. So what's your next step? Go grab the new flip. Start flipping and making real money while learning to negotiate. TheNewFlip.com. Rewire your mindset and start taking action with Reboot. myrealestatedojo.com/reboot. And if you want more free training, subscribe and smash that bell icon so you never miss a video. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. Rumi. Don't take no for an answer. Much love and peace. This is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo. I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen, champ.